Forget the camera, forget the chip, forget Apple Intelligence. The biggest iPhone 18 Pro upgrade might be something staring at you every time you unlock your phone. And Apple hasn't said a single word about it. One leak suggests the entire front face could look completely different. So why is everyone suddenly talking about it? Stick around, you won't look at the top of your iPhone the same way again. Let's begin by focusing on the basics. Apple's historical releases of its Pro iPhone models suggest that they're launched every year in September, starting with the iPhone 12. With that in mind, most analysts believe that Apple will continue to follow the same pattern in 2026. According to multiple reliable analysts, Apple will announce the iPhone 18 Pro in September 2026, with pre-orders and release likely to follow closely after, as is customary for Apple. However, none of this has been officially confirmed by Apple itself. Now for the most eagerly anticipated leak. Several analyst reports and supply chain leaks point towards dynamic island size being reduced thanks to Face ID components being moved under the display, making its removal more gradual than initially expected by many. However, the situation may not be so simple. A few reputable leakers even suggest that Dynamic Island may not change in size this year due to transition difficulties, and that Apple is not yet prepared to make the shift. Thus proving even the most trusted sources to be wrong, this aspect of the design is undeniably exciting but not yet confirmed. The overall design is expected to remain similar, though some reports suggest new color options and a less complicated camera control button. Apple has apparently decided to go with a similar design but make the camera protrusion more premium. Here's where the reports start to concur. The A20 Pro is likely to be Apple's first 2nm chipset. Fewer nanometers typically equals more performance, better battery life, and exponentially better power efficiency. Multiple reports stated that vapor chamber cooling will be present, helping the phone not throttle as much when trying to edit 4K, play games, and run demanding AI applications, rather than be a miniature hand warmer. If there is one rumor that seems to crop up again and again, it is this one. Apple will release a device with a variable aperture camera. In other words, an adjustable aperture size on the lens itself for greater control over exposure, just like on actual cameras. More control over portraits, low light shooting, and nicer bokeh effects. If the leak is to be believed, photographers are going to be insufferable. The report also claims that Apple is working on computational photography, video, sensors, and optical zoom. Here's where several reports begin to tie together. The Pro Max will likely retain the bigger battery, which, along with increased efficiency from the new A20 Pro, should allow for an even more relaxed 18% battery upon leaving your home. New Pro models will almost certainly launch with iOS 27 and expanded Apple Intelligence features, including faster on-device AI processing, deeper integration with Siri, and more powerful productivity features. Finally, upgrades to cellular connectivity, including Apple's next-generation modem, more capable satellite connectivity, and enhanced Wi-Fi, will almost certainly be present in the new iPhones, according to multiple reports. On the subject of pricing, some analysts believe that prices will increase across the board due to the enhanced silicon and cameras, but others remain skeptical. This information will have to await official statements from Apple itself. The three biggest rumored upgrades are the 2nm A20 Pro chip, the variable aperture camera, and a potentially smaller dynamic island. The most exciting leak has to be the variable aperture, which if executed well could be the biggest camera upgrade in years. The rumor you should take with the most skepticism is the under-display Face ID and how much the dynamic island is actually going to shrink, as there is still conflicting information from multiple reputable sources. If all the rumors turn out to be true, then the iPhone 18 Pro could be Apple's most impactful Pro iPhone in years. If you want to stay updated with our research instead of just hearing about it later, make sure to subscribe. We will be sure to cover every single iPhone 18 Pro leak and every major Apple event or announcement as it happens, so that you can know what matters most. Now I want to hear from you. What feature are you hoping Apple gets right this year? Let me know down below in the comments.